PD Fast Charge and Sync. Charge your iPhone 14 from 0% to 60% in just 30 minutes. The charging speed is 3x faster than the USB-A to Lightning cable. And it also support the data transfer rates up to 480 megabits per second. Pictures and files can be uploaded in a few minutes. Right-angle Lightning cable. This right-angle USB Lightning cable features a 90 degrees design, which reduces bending this cable, protect equipment interfaces, and extend service life. It is more convenient to play games and watch videos while charging. MFi Certified. Featuring new C94 connector and MFi Certified chip, the Type-C to Lightning cable has completed MFi certification requirements and strict quality testing, which can ensure that your iOS device is charged safely at the fastest speed. No warning message pops up to disturb you. Plug and play. Universal compatibility. UGREEN USB-C to Lightning cable supports fast charging for iPhone 14 and other series, such as iPhone 13 December 11 series, iPhone 10 series, iPhone 8 series, AirPods.Standrad Charging Speed works with iPhone 7 Plus, 7/6, iPad mini 4, 3/2, iPad Air, iPad 9, iPod Touch 6, etc. Ultimate durability. UGREEN USB-C Lightning cable withstands 15,000 plus times bending test and 10,000 plus plug-unplug tests. Besides, premium nylon braid is built for extra protection and durability, which extends the life far longer than the other USB-C to Lightning cables. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. These cables are awesome, well built and flexible. I got the 6-foot cables and my kids love them.